Okay, so now that you know what an angle is, we can classify types of angles. And I know you guys know what certain angles are already because we did a little activity with our scavenger hunt on, it's like the second day of class. But the different types of angles, if we go in order from smallest to largest, if an angle is between 0 degrees and 90 degrees, or greater than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees, it's an acute angle. So an angle whose measure is greater than 0 and less than 90 degrees. So greater than 0 degrees, since we measure angles in terms of degrees, and less than 90 degrees. Let me label this angle, angle PQR. If I used a protractor in order to measure this angle, it looks like the angle's about 50 degrees. So if I wanted to write the measure of angle PQR, here's how I can do that. The measure of angle PQR, and in this case, it's 50 degrees. Another type of angle is if it's exactly 90 degrees, then that would be a right angle. So a right angle is an angle whose measure is exactly 90 degrees. If I draw a right angle, let me label this angle LMN. So I could draw or write directly in the angle like I did with the previous angle, the measure 90 degrees. Another way that I could show that this angle is a right angle or 90 degrees, besides writing 90 degrees in the angle, is just a little square in the corner. That little symbol means that the measure of angle LMN is exactly 90 degrees, which makes it a right angle. Another type of angle is if the angle is greater than 90, but at the same time less than 180 degrees, that makes an obtuse angle. So an angle whose measure is greater than 90 and less than 180 degrees. Something like this, angle STU. Again, if I measure that, took my protractor, it looks like it's about 130 degrees. I could write the measure of angle STU is equal to 130 degrees. And then the last type of angle by its measure is, if the measure is exactly 180 degrees, then that angle would be a straight angle. Kind of makes sense, like 180 degrees is straight. Basically, you have opposite rays and then they make a line. I have two opposite rays, YX and YZ, then then that angle would be a straight angle, or in other words, 180 degrees. So those are the different types of angles specifically by their measure.